So Daimler Truck's really excited to partner with the ATA again in 2023 for the Future Leaders Forum. For us, it's about encouraging and educating young individuals within our industry on skills that they may not have had exposure to before, and really helping them to develop and grow within their roles.
We can see that you could, at some point in the future, be leaders of our industry.
Thank you all for participating and putting yourselves forward. We do really appreciate it. So enjoy, and thank you to the ATA and everybody else for the support. It's really a great program, and we're happy to be part of it this year and next year and the years after as well. So thank you. Cheers.
They're pushing boundaries, they're challenging, they're looking at the status quo and saying, we can do better. So the Australian Trucking Association, Daimler Truck 2023 Future Leaders have commenced their journey, and I think we're going to see great things from them in the future.